Alright guys, so in this video I will be very quick with it, and I want you to know that I came across this update on how to get a free 5k profit account, and you need to sign up for this. Now I came across this post like 2 hours after they posted it on their Twitter, and actually you can see details like they showing on your screen. So all you need to do is to click on the link which I'll be adding to the comment section, and also to be added to the description, where you get to see more details about this site and how to get this bonus. And we need to prepare ourselves for this bonus by just clicking on the link, which should actually take you to this section right here, having details like this on your screen. And once you come to this section, you need to input your email address and also input the password for the email address also. Now once you do this, firstly you need to input your email address in this section, and once you're done with that, there's a section where you click on next. If you scroll up a little bit, you see next right there. So it takes you to the next place where you input your password. Alright, now once you're done inputting your password, then you click on next, like see it right there. So it logs you into the site where you have to sign up with them. Now you can see every single details of the requirements you need to put, your email address, your full name. I will scrolling up a little bit. Firstly, I need to click on this box under email right here, because we're actually signing with our email. We just need to click on the box. Then we need to proceed to filling in our details. Now scroll up a little bit where you see details concerning where you input your full name, your email address, your country, and your address. Now see this platform section, this trading platform. You can either choose TradeLocker, or MT5. You can see right there. So once you're done filling every details, you just need to click on next, which should actually take you to the next progress, the next part where you also need to complete some few steps also. Now there's a simple requirement which you actually need to complete, and there's a reason why I'm actually going fast for this video, to actually save time so I can actually post this before it's too late. Now see this section right here. After filling every details, we are brought to this next part where we need to complete just 3 simple tasks, and we'll be signing up for the 5k account. Now you can see the first one is for us to actually join the Discord group. Now joining the Discord group, after that you take a screenshot of it and come back to this place to upload the screenshot of you joining the Discord group. Now the second task is for you to follow their X account. You can see it right there. So once you follow their X account also, you take a screenshot of that too and come to this place to upload it. Now you can see this section where you're actually going to click on that actually says upload. You can just take a screenshot and come here to upload it. And after filling every upload, the third one is for you to actually join their Telegram group also. Now I've actually done all these 3 tasks and uploaded it. Now after that, there's a section where you leave a comment. I wrote I'm done and clicked on submit. Now you can see submit right there. So once you submit, then the next thing is for you to wait to receive details of your MT5 into your email about this free profit account. Now you can see thank you for participating for the pre-launch giveaway, and it says you'll receive a login credentials on our launch day, which means they'll be sending the login details on the launch day. Now to get more details about this, you can actually go back to their X account to get more details of this platform right there. So doing this, all we need to do is to expect the free 5k account login details into our email and have that done. So I don't want any of you to miss out on updates like this, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this my little hard work a like, and subscribe to the channel so that you won't miss out on updates like this on how to make money online. Have a nice day and stay blessed. Thanks guys.